How to use SHEIN codes to find clothes. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Every SHEIN clothes include the codes. So firstly, let me show you how can you copy it. Head towards any of the product. Click on it. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different details of the product, size, color, shipping address, size guide. Head towards the section of description, click on it. Here you're gonna find all the details of the item. Scrolling all the way down, at the very bottom you'll find the option of item ID. So this is the code of this product. Now I can copy it. Once you have copied the code of the item, now you can head back. Now click on the search icon given at the very top. Over there paste the code and then search for it. With that, the exact item will appear. So this way you can easily use SHEIN codes to find clothes. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.